Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZaf channel. If you're looking for a stylish, versatile, and budget-friendly motorcycle that dares to challenge the status quo, say hello to the 2025 TVS Ronin. This Indian-made two-wheeler is turning heads worldwide, and it's finally getting attention in the US market. With its neo-retro design, bold stance, and lightweight handling, the Ronin is the kind of bike that's built for the urban rebel who craves more than just a daily commute. Priced at around $2,000 US, the TVS Ronin offers unbelievable value for money. That's right, $2,000 for a brand new motorcycle packed with tech features and a unique design that punches way above its price tag. Whether you're a beginner rider or a seasoned motorcyclist looking for a fun second bike, the Ronin is a deal that's hard to ignore. At the heart of the Ronin is a 225.9 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, oil-cooled engine producing around 20 horsepower and 19.93 newton-meters of torque. It's not going to win drag races, but it's tuned for real-world usability, smooth mid-range power, and great low-end torque, perfect for city riding and weekend cruising alike. Plus, it comes with a 5-speed gearbox and assist and slipper clutch for smoother gear shifts. One of the biggest highlights is its modern tech, including a fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, voice assist, and ride analytics through the TVS SmartSonic system. Yes, even at this price point. The Ronin also features dual-channel ABS, adjustable levers, LED lighting all around, and premium touches like USD forks at the front. The design is a real conversation starter. It blends cafe racer attitude, scrambler utility, and cruiser comfort into one compact package. The sculpted tank, wide handlebars, and chunky tires give it a bold presence, while the 795mm seat height makes it accessible to a wide range of riders. The Ronin doesn't try to copy others, it builds its own identity. Ride quality is where the Ronin really shines. The suspension setup is surprisingly plush for a bike in this segment, and the upright ergonomics mean you can ride comfortably for hours. Whether you're dodging traffic downtown or exploring backroads, this bike makes every ride feel like a small adventure. It's nimble, forgiving, and just plain fun. So, is the 2025 TVS Ronin worth it? Absolutely. For just around $2,000, you're getting a motorcycle that delivers serious style, everyday practicality, and smart features usually found in much pricier bikes. It's not just a budget bike, it's a statement. If TVS decides to expand further into the US market, the Ronin could easily become the go-to choice for new riders and urban explorers alike.